Hi there, today we're gonna discuss how to build an easy compost bin. This one, as you can see, is made from pellets. They are tied with wire rope all around, and at the base we left the soil so the worms can do the action. They can compost and help us build. Here, as you can see, we have all types of garbage, we can say that, scraps from the kitchen. We have peels from banana, grass cuttings and clippings, some sawdust from our cages, and even some feathers of some poultry. These are all ingredients that we need for our compost bin. We need fresh grass clippings like here, and we need dry grass clippings like we have here. So these are all needed. It's ideally that you mix them. For example, you have a layer which is all green grass and a layer which is all clippings, and then you mix them up with a fork. This type of cold composting needs time to develop, usually because it is all open air, and during summer you need to give it some watering to keep it humid. If it is dry, it won't work. Also, sometimes if we don't water it, the worms will go underground and they won't keep composting the compost. So this compost mound has around 3 months, so we get all the kitchen scraps, even from our neighbors and friends, and we throw them here. Those people who haven't got a garden will happily give you their kitchen scraps. It's important to remember the compost bin is lactose intolerant and vegan, so no animal meats and no milks or cheese. An argument which happens a lot is people say don't throw lemon or onion in it. If you're not thinking about throwing a whole container of onion, citrus or garlic, there won't be any problem. As you can see, here we have some onions and they will compost and rot easily. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, subscribe and give us a thumbs up.